why many entrepreneurs are engineers and how engineering makes great CEOs. There is one similarity between SpaceX and Tesla's CEO Elon Musk, Amazon and Blue Origin's CEO Jeff Bezos, Apple's Tim Cook, Alphabet's Sundar Pichai, General Motors' Mary Barra, Nvidia's Jensen Huang, and Telemark's CEO Carlos Slim. These days, the heads of some most successful companies in the world have one thing in common. They are engineers. For those who aspire to be a CEO of a company one day, getting a Master of Business Administration degree used to be the way to go. But that is not true anymore. Harvard University Business Review used to publish an annual list of top 100 best performing CEOs. In 2018, Harvard found that for a second year in a row, there were more CEOs with an engineering degree than with Master of Business Administration degree. From those top performing CEOs in the world, 34% of them are with engineering degrees, while 32% of them are with MBA, and some have both degrees and some had neither degrees. Elon Musk went so far to say, "I think there might be many MBAs running companies, but I think those with business administration degrees spend too much time in board meetings, poring over PowerPoints and finances, when their focus should be on product." These Elon Musk's words are taken from his interview with Wall Street Journal. The thinking being that if the product is good, the profit will follow. As now these days, the startup culture is running wild in the field of entrepreneurship, and engineering graduates are looking to launch their own company with competitive ideas. More startups that have become established names are the mindwork of engineering, because engineers can design, build, create and improve their product because of their background in mathematics, in science and technology. An engineering degree sure does plethora of job opportunities, but a few characteristics that engineering students develop during their 4 years or 5 years course give them the upper hand in becoming successful entrepreneurs. Even it is safe to say that engineering courses and institutes have been subconsciously molding their students to become a successful entrepreneurs. And it is that a lot of entrepreneurs are either engineering dropouts or engineering graduates. It makes us think about the reasons why engineering makes such great CEOs, right? As now starting business is not a mean task, but engineers possess certain skills that help them to become a best entrepreneur there. So let's see the reasons why engineering makes great entrepreneurs. We see about 10 reasons why engineers stand as entrepreneurs. But before getting to those reasons, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification button for that you don't miss the upcoming useful videos. The first reason, or number one, is because of engineers are great innovators. Innovation is one of key skills that drive any business. One simple example on value of innovation is looking at internet. Think about various businesses running with the help of internet these days. Imagine Amazon and Alibaba without internet. So engineers possess the ability to create killer ideas that would work logically too. For example, Satya Nadella is an engineer at Microsoft who rose to become a CEO later on. When he took over the top job in 2014, he had to figure out a way to make Microsoft relevant, as it faced an onslaught from Apple. The software company struggled to thrive under the leadership of his predecessor, Steve Ballmer. Its products were far from revolutionary, such as the Surface was responsive to the iPad phone and it answers to iPhone. Actually, Ballmer has a degree in mathematics and economics from Harvard University, but he didn't do much on innovation. When Nadella came over, he transformed Microsoft by moving its software to non-window devices, such as bringing Microsoft Word to iPad and iPhone. He also expanded a cloud business, Azure, which becomes the biggest rival to Amazon's AWS. In his first email to employees of Microsoft company as a CEO, Nadella wrote, "Our industry does not respect a tradition, it only respects innovation." And this innovative spirit of engineering saved Microsoft. So innovation is one of the reasons why engineering makes great entrepreneurs. Number 2. Engineers can effectively tap into opportunities. They study in an extremely competitive environment, which enables them to spot opportunities and tap into them. Various types of courses content such as theories, calculations, laboratory experiments, workshop and field tests make them to have an eagle eye for opportunities and the ability to tap into them in the most effective way. And their effectiveness to use opportunity is one of the reasons why engineers stand out as entrepreneurs. Number 3. Engineers are resilient. Engineers also have the never give up mindset, which gives them a power to endure hardships on their way. There are more resilient failures than one can imagine, and they have the strength to bounce back. As an American inventor, Thomas Edison, who is considered as a self-taught engineer, he has said, "I have not failed. I only found that 10,000 ways that bulb won't work." And this emotional strength is one of the reasons why engineers make great entrepreneurs. Number 4. Engineers are excellent planners. With a solid experience working on projects, engineers are aware of planning to be one of the most crucial elements that factor in the success of projects. Having worked on several projects at college level and more, they are good planners with the ability to stick to a plan while also being ready with plan B and plan C in case if plan A doesn't work. And this ability to plan effectively and readiness with alternative plans are reasons why engineers make great entrepreneurs. Number 5. Engineers are great team players. Engineers spend most of their student life working on projects as a group. This molds them to be a team player. They understand the value of team and the fact that projects require a diversified and multidisciplinary inputs that can be crucial to its success. They are uniquely skilled at coordinating peoples and process. Obviously, engineers can easily mingle into a team and make sure that projects goes on smoothly. And this team spirit is said to be one of the reasons why engineering makes great entrepreneurs. Number 6. Engineers are trustworthy. As seen earlier, engineers have experience working with team members and other teams. They understand how trust is an integral part of any team. Thus, they are sensitive towards the emotion of their team members, which is why they are such a good team players. Apart from this, they are often straightforward, which helps them to develop a good relationship with their customers and clients. And this is one of the reasons why engineering makes great entrepreneurs. Number 7. Engineers are rational. The ability to look at things from practical perspective is extremely crucial for a business idea to be successfully see the light of a day. They know to evaluate the scope of the idea and approach everything that pertains to it rationally. So they have unique strengths in evidence-based decision making, because they deeply understand how to organize, interpret, and process data. They can calculate feasibility of every step in setting up a business and get things right from the logistics to the setup right. This is exactly what business needs, a rational or reasonable approach rather than an emotional approach. And this is another reason why engineering makes great entrepreneurs. Number 8. Engineers have high curiosity. They are thirsty for knowledge, and an endless thirst for knowledge keeps pushing you to a greater level of life. They are always open to learn new things. Engineers are profoundly aware of that, the need to keep on learners because of how quickly technology industry can change. In case of Musk building an electrical at Tesla or great reusable rockets at SpaceX is where being an engineer is helpful. Technically, Musk's degree was in physics and economics aside, but he is a self-taught engineer who read books to learn about rocket science. When engineering consultant Sandy Munro interviewed him for his YouTube channel, Munro said, "It is Musk's knowledge that stands out. I was blown away. I have seen dozens of CEOs. I never seen a CEO, even a president, that knew more about products than Elon Musk." Here, Musk's curiosity to learn everything, even at the space science, put him to such incredible success. The wealthiest person of 2021. And this curiosity of engineers keeps them to become successful entrepreneurs. Number 9. Engineers are great problem solvers. Their technical background and exposure to several projects make them some of great problem solvers. They can rectify problems easily by approaching them with a logic. This is a crucial skill when it comes to starting and running a business effectively. And this is one of the reasons why engineering makes great entrepreneurs. The last reason, or number 10, is engineers have strong technical understanding. Technology is an engineer's strong suit. As the world changes towards the more technology, technical knowledge is becoming a prerequisite in most fields. Business also have the upper hand at being better entrepreneurs with technical skills they possess. And this is among the reasons why engineering makes great entrepreneurs. To summarize, engineering is a field that provides students with more skills than they require just for jobs. Engineering courses equip them all the skills needed to be a successful entrepreneurs. And this is all about reasons why engineering makes great entrepreneurs. And if you have an idea concerning this video or this channel, you are asked to put your comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video.